Hello and welcome to another Monkey Makes 3D modeling tutorial in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, because it helps the channel pop up in searches. And here we go. Okay, so I think the last little piece with this see how it goes once I put this fan belt on here. It's an fan belt, it's a belt of some sort, and then we'll see if them screws necessary, bolts or whatever. So from these two, highlight them two, just press slash on the key, numpad, sorry. See, they are well out of alignment there, so that could cause problems. Deselect that a second. 8, 1, plus. Do it all. Unselect the outside edge there. And then drop out of edit, highlight all of these also. Just make sure you've got all them selected and back on the tab again. So Control 3 for side view from the other side. It's one side, but we want the other side. Highlight that also. Right, all we need to do here is basically this needs to be the same as this bit here. Pull this out just a little bit anyway. I'll highlight these out. Eyeball that there. Let's have a quick check of this image again, just in case. Yeah, that's quite huge actually, isn't it? Right, my mistake there. Plus I needed to pull that little bit out there as well. Just give it that a little bit more thickness. Right, so back to this bit. Highlight both pulleys, slash on the number pad. Right, all we want is these back edges basically. These two. Right, so come on. M2 there. Do a Shift D. E. Not sure whether that will have worked. That one and that one. Slash on the key, number pad, and again. And then think to yourself, where on earth is the other one? That's that one. That one. Where is that one? It doesn't exist. Anyway then, right, so that one selected, Shift select that one, then Control J to join. It's now in that one. Over here. Rename this to one brain. TME man, belt. Full body belt. And it is going to be a rather dark colour. It'll have very little roughness, or lots of roughness. And spec, I will just put a 0.1 on there. So from here, basically just need to one highlight them to press F. Same for that one, F. And one. All of it. And Y there's that's off the other. So slash on the keypad. Extrude Y. So I just want to move that one at the front back a little bit also. Smooth that up. And tab, all, shift N. So idea. Let's just drop a solidify on there. Doesn't need to be too much. Just be the other way around. I think so. Do a minus 0.001. We can easily adjust the thickness of these if need be. So let's quickly rename these. These were the pulley bolts. Pulley top, wasn't it? Sorry. So no way. Keeps them all together. Right, that as pulley belt. Next we can rename that as end. See how I avoided saying we not there. Too late, I've said it again. I know it's not funny. That one. Another one that's not existent. Bolt. Oh, that's why, because it's parented with this part. So yeah, that'll not show up. That's okay. Then, does that pulley look thick enough? I'm not sure it does to me. No, that's huge, isn't it? Right, so here we go. Need to highlight that one, and that one. Tab. From the side again. Just highlight them. Sure that one needs to go, and then we'll just pull them out. Give a nice bit. Pulley thickness. I feel that bit's right. Looks like it's got a slight curve to it, as if so it's going to keep pushing the belt back in. I know that's got a lot of teeth on there, but again, it's not seen, so it doesn't really matter. We'll just give that a lip on the back of that pulley. So in the tab, do a Control R. Actually, do a 3 first, so we can see where we are. Okay, and then do a extrude scale shift Y. Just pull that out a little bit. Into 2, highlight them 2 edges. Increase on there. Well, that looks a little more beefy there now, doesn't it? See what I'm seeing here now though is this bit should have a hole in there. Right, so what we'll do is we'll do a quick Shift D, and then we'll move that to backups, just in case we need to do a change at some point. Copy this one, apply the mirror. This, Alright, then 3. Do an inset. Then just extrude on the Y. It should be threaded in there, but again, unneeded. Have a quick check through Eevee. Ambient occlusion on. Whoa, that looks quite good there by itself. By itself. Screen space reflections. Yikes. Just a bit too much here, isn't it? For what we're doing here, just like that. That looks quite nice. Okay, well that's done that there. That looks, yeah, I'm happy with that. How about these? What's the time on there? Oh, 11 minutes. Quick glance at this again. Are they flat or are they domed? They look domed, don't they? Let's do a Shift S. Cursor 2 selected. Shift A. Do this quickly. This time. Bit type. No hex. Dome. Cap. Nope. Plan. Nope. Is it that one? No, because it was still a hex, wasn't it? So we need the hex. The reference again. So it's got the hex and then it looks like a dome on top of it, which is really strange looking. Yeah, what can we do? Just leave it that one. Scale. Zoom in. Scale. Rotate X 90. I reckon this time a little bit of thread could be left on. Again, we're just faffing again, though, aren't we? No, you can't really see it. Don't crash. Really don't like it when the computer decides to do a slowdown all of a sudden. It's gonna run away of that, isn't it? Oh, is that just a washer? What it is, isn't it? So we'll do a scale a bit more. Pull it out of it. Shift S. There's a 2 selected. Quick Shift A. Circle. Same will do. Do you know what? We'll do a 32. 0, 2. Rotate X on a 90. 0, 1. Signify for a high word count in it. We won't need to put a smooth on it. Okay, that's still interrupting with that. Interfering even. Scale. Oops, on scale. So extrude, scale, go merge center, all of it, extrude, Y, and tab, just rename that washer. to highlight them on 0 now, 15 minutes. Go smooth on it. Go smooth. This one needs a smooth. Go smooth. Ooh. Don't like going longer than this time. The amount of times the computer crashes when it's rendering. Just get sick of it. Just parent them. Just do one of them. Keep it below that line so side, and then just slightly closer. Oh. 4, 2, 1. 50. I'll put one on that side also. With them selected still, shift select that one and do Control P. They're all one piece. So actually, what colour metal were these? They're like that chromy aluminium look. Great. Let's put a chrome on them for now. And how about the washer? Is washer the same? Yes, it is. Kind of impressed myself there, to be fair. Okay, Control Save. I'll catch you in the next one.